Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Podio, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you get an API key for your Podio account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get the API key to your Podio account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that setting up automations or building apps onto Podio does require an API key. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Podio dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Podio account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get an API key to your Podio account, here on the top right, you're going to click on this person icon. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on account settings. Once you do that, you're going to see these 6 options here at the top, and you want to click here on API key. Okay, so here is how you can go ahead and generate an API key to your Podio. First, you're going to go ahead and enter in the application name. So let's say Make Money Anthony. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and enter in your full domain. Okay, so once you have entered in the domain, click on Generate API Key. All right, quick second later, the API key shows up right down here. So you can go ahead and copy it to your clipboard. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get an API key to your Podio account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.